Kitchen is Chef Poul. This is Chef Amy.
Hi.
And believe it or not, we've got Chef Alex today.
Hi.
It's been a hell of a week or 2 or 3 or 4. Who's counting? Today we're going to be making some butter paneer. It's kind of a take on butter chicken. No, this is not going to be authentic. Yes, I don't care how you think. This is how we're doing it. And this is actually for Amy, one of our good friends at a grocery store, who I feel really bad for today because they got this Karen running around talking or demanding great value at a store that doesn't carry it. So we're going to start by grinding some green cardamom. Amy, I want you to get put a little bit of olive oil in that, and then put a little stick of butter, a small thing of butter in there for me, please. And like I said, this is not going to be authentic. Amy's going to put a little bit of olive oil in, and then she's going to put a small little knob of butter. And then I'm going to put some coriander seed. Not a whole lot, don't need a whole lot. And then, where do I got this? We're going to be using some almonds for this, but I'm not putting them in yet. I've got 3 small onion, 1 whole clove of garlic, and this is definitely going to take a few runs through the food processor because it's not going to go all at once. Now, a lot of people are going to take this and they're going to start cooking it just like this. And that's the wrong thing to do. And I'm going to tell you why. Because if you have a food processor, you can already put it down. And if you don't, and you put it through here, then you have to take it out of here and then put it into a blender, put it through a food processor, and then do it that way. That takes too long, and it's a lot of different work that I don't want to have to do. These are bay leaves. No, this is a brand new spice rack we just got. Now, normally with this, you put the bay leaf in, you cook, and then you take the bay leaf out. This, we're not going to do that. We're going to cook, and we're actually physically going to have it in the meal.
I think you can get ground bay leaf too.
You can. But we have a food processor.
That's true.
Why would we do that? Right?
Yeah.
This is one of the reasons why you want a food processor, guys. Best thing in the world. We got a Ninja. It's actually pretty inexpensive, like maybe $30 for it. It works really well. It processes perfectly.
It's a really good quality.
Yeah, and you know what? I've never had a problem with it. All right, so now I'm going to start dumping some spices in here. I'm going to start by doing some cardamom, some cinnamon. Now, if you have cumin, use that. We can't find ours. I know we have it. Amy knows we have it. Just, we don't know where. And then we're going to dump some cloves in here. Cloves are super healthy. Start incorporating it into your daily diet now. Your body will thank you for it later. Trust me. I'm going to put some curry powder in. Ours is not very spicy at all. Hence, Amy can eat it, which is important.
Yeah.
Because Amy can't handle the hot sauce right now.
Hot spice.
Hot spice, hot sauce, anything hot. We're just going to start roasting this a little bit in here in the oil.
It smells spicy, but it won't be spicy.
Yeah, it'll be spicy, just won't be hot spicy.
Yeah.
Which is important because Amy doesn't need that. My new favorite toy that we have, the toy that I said I didn't want, but we got anyways,
The Dutch oven.
the Dutch oven. It is a little on the small side, but honestly, it's still pretty darn good.
For superstar quality Dutch ovens, I think that's pretty good.
Well, technically it's not
It's not Superstore.
Well, no.
They're selling it, but it's not really theirs. It's Colin Recon.
Yeah.
Which is a really good German 2 bay leaves. It's a German engineered company that makes a lot of cookware, and they're very top rated. So I mean, I'm not at all ashamed of it. It's really good quality. I'm super happy with this. We got their cook set, pots, pans, the cast iron grill pan, and it's been nothing but top quality. Absolutely top quality. I'm going to be cooking everything in one pan. I'm not going to dump and then put and do any of that. I think this will turn out just fine this way. I'm going to let this soak for a minute or two. Just look up what I need for the next part of it. I'm going to get Amy to chop me up another 2 knobs of butter for me, please.
Now, I know you said that this wouldn't be authentic, but it smells very authentic to me.
Here's the thing with Indian cooking, and I don't know if there's an Indian around that will actually admit this or not. India is such a very large place.
Yeah.
It's a very, very large place. And I've got a bag, and that's, what, 210 grams of raw almonds. And I'm going to put half of this in
Should I
here.
put this in, hon?
No, put it on the side, over me now. On the side of the stove.
Yeah, India is a very diverse place, so they have many different ways to cook things
Do you
there.
need more than that?
No. So they're going to have different recipes. They're going to have literally a million different ways for literally everything.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to dump the almonds in here.
And even here, if you go to do an Indian restaurant, no 2 Indian restaurant will make something the same way.
Yeah, that's not going to happen. I mean, Canada's pretty much the same thing.
Yeah.
There's a lot of different recipes that we cook here, but it'll mostly be the same, but there's going to be some small differences. One of us isn't going to agree on this type of spice being used.
Yeah.
Right, I don't want to use it like that.
Are you gonna cut it?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, there's a lot of variety to Indian dishes.
Yeah, so I mean, am I pulling this off of one, and I'm putting 3 little knobs of butter there. Am I pulling this exactly the identical way that they would do it? No, I'm not. But it's second guess.
And there's Chef Bert. Hey, Chef Bert, can you say hi?
If you do live in Canada and you shop at the superstore, save those stamps, guys, because I'm telling you right now, that crock pot is amazing. This is going to cook this down so much
Dutch
faster.
oven?
The Dutch oven, sorry.
And I think you only need 20 or 30 stamps, don't you?
Don't remember the exact amount.
20.
20, yeah. And I think it's every maybe $20 or $40 that you spend, you get a stamp.
Yeah, $20. Every
$20.
you get
$20, yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna put the tomato paste in there. If you get the tomato base, it means you don't have to take it out, put it into a blender, and blend everything down. And why the heck would you need to do that? It's already here.
Yeah.
And actually, Amy, I need turmeric.
Oh. Okay.
I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit.
Right here.
Then we're gonna dump a little bit of turmeric. Could you bring my cutting board and knife back over, please? And then the paneer, please, and thank you. Now, while you're putting everything in here, you want to make sure you're stirring. Okay, so I'm going to you to do is take that, and I want you to cut it into very small bite-sized bites for me, please.
Okay.
We're almost done, guys.
No, if you haven't figured this out, this is a vegan dish.
Yeah, there's absolutely no. I'm not claiming vegan. Alex said that on his own.
No, this is Indian.
This is Indian, but
This isn't vegan.
But I can't guarantee you that 100% of this is vegan.
A lot of Indian dishes are vegan, though.
A lot of them are. However, with that being said, I don't know that the paneer itself has. I don't know if it is or isn't vegan friendly.
No, maybe not vegan, but vegetarian.
It might be. It could be. But I'm not going to guarantee that.
Because there's no actual meat in this dish.
There's no meat. But one of the biggest problems that you're going to have when you make that clean is called meat product. Like some of this might be considered something against vegan or vegetarian.
Yeah.
I don't want to promise that. I don't want to guarantee that.
But
Well-
some vegetarians do eat cheese, though.
Some do. You see what happened here? I'm not putting chicken in here, otherwise this would be called butter chicken.
Yeah. But you still get the protein from the paneer.
Yeah, you get the protein. This is going to be very spicy, very flavorful. It's going to be really good.
And if you don't know what paneer is, it's basically an Indian type of cheese.
Yeah.
It's a thick Indian type of cheese.
We have this really sweet girl that's at the superstore that looks after Amy. She knows that Amy just had to give up a lot because of her gallbladder being removed. So she always looks for different things for Amy that she can have and that she thinks that she'd like. And she tries to give me advice on ways to cook like Indian dishes for Amy so that she can actually enjoy it. Which I think is like above and beyond for customer service. She's like one of the sweetest girls you ever meet. She's just sitting there looking for ways to make Amy's palate more happy.
Yes.
And not everybody would do that. But she's pretty too, so I don't mind listening. All right, so we're gonna stir this in here, and we're almost ready to let this go in a nice little simmer for 10 minutes. Amy, how's this look?
Really good.
Maybe I'll get to take some of this home with me.
I doubt it.
No, it's for me for work.
It's-
Okay.
This is her meal for long treacherous weekend.
Yeah.
I'm not even allowed to try this.
Really?
Yeah. He got it for me.
Okay.
All right, and the last thing is a can of coconut milk, just to make it a little bit more creamy. Amy, the cover for this is over there. Could you grab that for me, please, and thank you.
Yes.
Your Royal Dutchness. Amy might give you a little taste, but if she gives you that, you're luckier than me. I'm not allowed to have this.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna put a timer on. Now I'm gonna send Amy over every few minutes to go just to give it a
Let's
try.
stir it.
Now, where this is a Dutch oven and this has been on there, this is all cast iron. So don't put your hands on there yourself.
Yes.
Take a dish towel, take like something, and do that. But don't, even for this.
Yeah.
Like, I just put it on some good, but in 5 minutes,
It'll be hot.
it's going to be hot, hot, hot.
Yeah, the whole thing retains heat, so don't touch it with your bare hand.
And this is why this is probably one of the best ways to cook. And if I wanted to, I could turn the oven on and I can cook it in the oven. So
Yeah.
please hit that like, share, subscribe button, guys. Let's make cooking great again. Happy New Year's, and we'll be back. And we're back. So I'm lucky I have Amy, I have Alex with me. I'm going to take the Dutch oven off of that. I'm going to turn the heat completely off
Turn the timer off too.
and turn the timer off. I'm going to put this away here. And I almost did something stupid. Use this. Take this off here. How does this look, guys?
It's really good. It smells really good too.
It smells amazing. Amy, what do you think?
It's really good. I already tried some.
And how do you like it?
I love it.
And you know what, Alex, because of the way Amy's been behaving, I think I'm going to give this to the people next door.
No.
What do you think?
No.
This is all Amy's, 100%. Alex and I aren't feeling the greatest, and it's not going to be good for us right now. So it's all Amy's.
I'll enjoy it at work this weekend.
Absolutely. So
Yeah.
please hit that hit the like, share, and subscribe. Let's make cooking great again. We love you, and we'll see you next time.